Welcome to Tyre Garage, the ultimate solution for tyre replacement and service management. Today, I'll showcase the features that make our platform perfect for managing your business. Let's start by logging in. Upon logging in, you'll see our detailed clipboard offering a comprehensive overview of operations and job statuses at a glance, such as pending, new, awaiting, booked, or completed. Filter jobs easily, whether warranty, authorized, or awaiting authorization. Let's create a new job by entering the client's vehicle registration and generating a worksheet. The vehicle seems to be logged in the system. Historical data populates based on the registration, including vehicle make and model. Specify the call reason in the driver report, like which wheel position is affected. After saving changes, the system suggests the most suitable branch for the job. I'll assign it to Airdrie, with a useful proximity table showing nearby branches for optimal routing. Assign jobs based on branch capacity, location, and technician availability. On the diary page, view a complete operational overview, detailing fitters' capacity and workload. Integrated weather services provide real-time weather data for each of your branches, essential for deciding mobile service or branch facility jobs for safety and efficiency. Easily drag and drop Joe Smith's job to a fitter using our intuitive interface. Job cards contain details like customer info, location, postcode, registration, reference, and stock status. Now, explore our route optimization feature. With multiple jobs across slots like AM, PM, or out of hours, it analyzes travel distances to maximize efficiency. The Route Optimizer reorganizes job sequences to reduce travel distances and boost productivity, especially valuable for mobile operations. Let's see how technicians use their dedicated mobile app during their work for the day. After authentication, fitters access the My Jobs dashboard, displaying assigned or upcoming jobs. Each job card offers details, and tapping reveals comprehensive info, including customer location. The left navigation shows the technician's workflow through 7 sequential actions, with each completed step turning green, providing clear visual feedback. Returning to the jobs list, first, check for products needing van loading. The system indicates when specific tyres or materials are assigned to a worksheet. In this scenario, we have a product ready for collection. Confirm it's loaded, and with inventory checked, start the job workflow. The first step is contacting the customer about their arrival. Begin the journey to the customer's location. The system sends an SMS notification with arrival time updates. If safety concerns arise during risk assessment, rebook the job for safety. After passing the risk assessment, move to pre-inspection, capturing photos of the vehicle's condition. With pre-inspection complete, start the main work action. The technician documents all tyres using a systematic fitment process. After authorization, move to post-inspection. Post-inspection mirrors pre-inspection. Fitters maintain communication with the head office via our in-app messaging, with the head office having full visibility of all actions. If we head back to the head office's interface, we can access fitment info, pricing, and real-time fitter monitoring. Maintain complete worksheet history for audits and progress tracking. As mentioned, communication tools allow seamless messaging, with maps showing branch proximity and routing. Document management handles invoices, delivery notes, and any paperwork. Allocate fitments, add installation details throughout, releasing fully detailed jobs to technicians on the fly. The platform offers user and role management, controlling access and managing technician accounts. Branch management includes account info, address management, and postcode coverage areas, with stock management tools right down to the branch level. Our catalog management maintains product categories, labor rates, and price files. Purchase orders can be monitored from creation to delivery confirmation or cancellation. Manage and control your stock with movement tracking, inter-branch transfers, overview allocation to fitters, real-time inventory tracking, and comprehensive reporting. Reporting covers stock levels, inventory allocation, and detailed operations, finance, and purchasing analytics. Vehicle records are also maintained and easily extended. Our billing section features efficient invoicing and a broadcast communication system for messaging. Create broadcasts for branches like Airdrie, instantly reaching relevant staff. The dashboard includes analytics and statistics for tracking communication effectiveness and operational metrics across your service network.